little bit early just because I can. But I also need to try to figure out how to get to share my screen. So that's going to be interesting. Collapse. Where's the chat? Ooh. Oh, that's funny. I just got notified that I'm streaming. All right. Let's see here. Where is the chat? Okay. Well, while I figure it out, I'm just going to start. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the pre-game, if you can call it that, live stream for the Magic Madhouse of Mayhem. I am the Madman Eric, and I'm very happy to welcome you all here. Now, few points of order to go over before we get into the raffle itself. First thing to note is the schedule is changing a little bit. So, due to a severe weather warning for Tuesday and part of Wednesday, the draft that was going to happen on Tuesday for Demolition Games for Phyrexia All Be One, it's still going to happen. However, we are moving it to Saturday. Demolition Games and I communicated today, they're going to open up their store at 9 a.m. So the draft for Phyrexia All Be One will not be happening tomorrow. It will be happening on Saturday at 9 a.m., still at Demolition Games, still Phyrexia All Be One, still have the raffle, and it will still include a Commander Collection green. So with that out of the way, we can move on to the next thing. Yes. So we finally have the welcome bags for the Magic Madhouse of Mayhem. We've got our logo on each of the bags, and each of the bags will contain the following. It will contain the list that has the mini game that you can play. There are roughly 40, I believe 40 exactly, different achievements that you can try to achieve across the 4-day event of the Magic Madhouse of Mayhem. Some of them include, and I'm not going to give the full list because I don't want to give any advantages to anyone, but things like control 3 or more planeswalkers at the same time, deal 20 or more damage to a player than is required to kill them. So if they need 40 to die and you deal 60 to them, it qualifies for that. Eliminate a player by milling or decking them out. Give another player an extra turn. My personal favorite. Kill a player with a spell or permanent they own. I call that curse your sudden but inevitable betrayal. And so there's going to be 40 of these. So a list of them will be on there. How this is going to work, you're going to want to get a signature or the initials of whomever you are playing with when this particular occurrence happens. So if you get that, kill someone with their own permanent, you can have them initial it and you'll initial it, and that will be proof that you'll be that you have accomplished it. Now, every 5 one of these will get you a draft booster that you complete. If you complete all 40, and you're the first one to complete all 40, you get 2 collector boosters. So that is how that game will work. In addition, in the welcome bag, you also have a list that shows the artists that helped out for the Magic Madhouse of Mayhem along with all of their socials. Please, I recommend you check them out. They did phenomenal work, and they are amazingly talented artists. Then we also have a D20 and a pack of 12 cards plus 1 promo card or special card. Some of them are unique. There's a couple of signed cards. There are a couple of pre-release cards. There are several promo cards, and there's specialized cards in there too. So that is what you'll get in the welcome bags for the Magic Madhouse of Mayhem. And no matter if you're in a paid event or if it's in a free event, you get one of these welcome bags as our way of saying thank you for joining us at the Magic Madhouse of Mayhem. Now, the next thing. Yes. Now let's see if I can figure out how to do this. apologies. I was extremely busy all day today and yesterday, so I was not able to figure out how to do this just yet. Okay, there's the chat. Chat settings. Okay. Okay. I'm getting there. Apologies, everyone. All right. Oh. Ah. Okay, I think I've got it now. Display capture. Okay. Okay. All right. So that's a little unsettling. Thankfully, I'm going to get the wheel up. All right. Now, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. This is the Discord raffle. Go away, ads. Go away. All right. All right. So, for those of you who are unaware, we have a Discord. We've got all 42 of the Discord names, with not mine in there, of course, here. So our first raffle is going to be a Dominaria United box topper. And dun, 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 the winner is congratulations, Susie. You are the winner of the Dominaria United box topper. New. All right. So this will be set aside specifically for you. If you are not local in the Salt Lake Valley, please feel free to reach out to me and I can mail it out to you. All right, now, I'm gonna write that down. All right, the next item we've got up for raffle is going to be a collector booster for Innistrad Midnight Hunt. And the winner is Elixamon. Congratulations. I think I might have spelled that wrong. At one. All right. Next on our list, we have an Unfinity Draft Booster. And the winner is congratulations, Vivid Blue. Next in line, we have an Innistrad Crimson Vow Draft Booster. Congratulations, Davey C. X6, or Cakes. This is a little embarrassing. I'm an idiot. All right, next we're gonna do a Dominaria United collector booster. Remember, this is for the Discord. Nice. Vivid Blue, congratulations again. I could spell. All right. Next we have a Dungeons and Dragons Adventures in the Forgotten Realm draft booster. Okay, so we just got a question of someone was wondering how they won something, and that is there's two sets of raffles going on. One for those who are on the Discord channel, one for those who are here physically at Mythos. All right, next we have yes, D&D Adventures in the Forgotten Realm. So, here we go. The winner is Pestilence. Congratulations, my friend. You have won a D&D Adventures in the Forgotten Realms draft pack. All right, next up, we've got a Dominar United Draft Booster. Epic Draco 156, congratulations, you have won a Dominar United Draft Booster. All right, we're down to the last two prizes for the Discord raffle, and then I'll be ending the stream and I'll be doing the in-store raffle. The next prize is an Unfinity Collector Booster. And this is going out to Lil Boy Blue. You ain't gonna be blue no more. You've got a collector booster waiting for you. Congratulations. That pen is, I think, haunted. Unfinity Collector Booster. All right, just need to write these down in the Discord. Epic Draco. Infinity Collector Booster. All right, and now for the final raffle prize for the Discord. We have an Innistrad Crimson Vow Commander deck. This one specifically is Vampiric Bloodline, Rakdos. And the final winner is congratulations, Shalon Devar. You have won the final prize for the Discord. I am getting tongue-tied. I think my brain is dead. You have won the final prize for the Discord raffle. Congratulations. If I can spell, that would be helpful. If you are local, please come let me know what your Discord tag is. Show it to me on your phone, and I will get you your prize. If you are not local to the Salt Lake Valley, or even Utah, please let me know and I will ship it to you. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. There we go. Go to scene. Thank you all so much, everyone, for being willing to participate in this event. We will be updating you tomorrow whether or not we are still going to have the draft at Game Grid on Wednesday, or if that is going to be adjusted to a later day of the Magic Madhouse of Mayhem. So stay tuned for further announcements. And as always, my friends, thank you so very much for coming along this crazy ride with me. And as always, stay crazy, my friends. Thank you.